Today we're celebrating the result of 2 years of planning and hard work to create this modern, energy-efficient facility that we're standing in now.
What we do here is really the backbone of the digital future. It really will be the engine for the economy of the future.
2.5 years ago we had a meeting with Clive Selley, the Openreach CEO, and AFL, and discussing what this was going to be here in Blandard. And to be here and see it so many years on, it is an impressive site. It's going to help with our environment and our footprint, which Clive is very passionate about. It's going to get cables and key innovations out to the field quicker, having it in the UK rather than 9 months travelling on the sea. Honestly, this is one of the best days I've had in a little while.
This business has consistently introduced innovative technologies, and with this facility, with a significant expansion, it shows our commitment to the UK market, and it provides a pathway for the explosive growth that we're projecting.
I think having a new facility here is great for all the staff in Swindon. For me, it gives us a launch pad to have secure product and cable production for the next 10 years plus. It really cements our position in the market and gives us a chance to grow.
When I think about the importance of this new facility for us, it brings tremendous new footprint for us. It is a increased facility size. We've more than doubled our footprint here, and it's enabled us to bring in some new technology. This new technology is going to be critical for our success, not only in the UK but in the greater Europe. We're really excited, and this is just a further demonstration of the investment that we're making.
Around 1,000 Japanese companies are here in UK, and they invested and they hired quite a number of employees and people here in UK, and contribute quite much to the UK's economy, both in its local community and also the entire nation.